Got the Roku Streaming Stick. Let's see what's inside. Oh, that's one way to get it open. Okay, there we go. Where was I? Yes. So here we have the remote. Also comes with this is a USB-A to USB-C cable. Here is the Roku Streaming Stick. And just a general information booklet here. And let me just check the torn up box. Nothing in there. Nothing else in there as well. So that's what it comes with. It comes with the remote, the USB-A to USB-C cable, the Roku Streaming Stick right there, and then the information booklet.